In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add your website to Google AdSense. So firstly, open any web browser, then type AdSense. Now click on this official Google AdSense website. Click on sign in to get started and sign in with your Gmail account. After that, click on sites. In here, click on add site. Enter URL of your website and you will got a code. So just you need to paste that code into your website header section. So after that you will see getting ready. So Google AdSense team will review your website, and if your website is okay for AdSense, so they will answer to approval or disapproval. So it's a quick and easy method to add website on Google AdSense. Thanks for watching this video.